Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Hemanta the Social Engineer. Today I bring MCQ question for class 10 Social Science Sector of Indian Economy Chapter 2nd Economics. We are going to discuss the question and answers multiple choice questions. Those who not yet subscribe my YouTube channels to get up to date information about current affairs, general knowledge and video series on social science of CBSE, NCERT and different important news as well as news on employment. Subscribe my YouTube channels. So without making delay, let's discuss first question. Primary sector is related to agriculture, dairy, forestry, fishing, mining. All are come under primary sector because all these sectors are related to agriculture and use of natural resources. So option number D, that is all the above, is the right answer. Come to the question number 2. Employment figures of a country are based on data collected from 5-yearly survey on employment and unemployment. Which organization conduct this survey? NSSO, National Sample Survey Organizations, NREGA, ILO, Census of India. Option number 1, that is National Sample Survey, is the right answer, which means option number 1 is right answer. It is come under Ministry of Statistics, Government of India. Next questions. Identify the natural product from the list of the item given below. Textile, wheat flour, cotton, tomato sauce. Option number C is the right answer. This is we are getting directly from the nature by cultivations and agriculture, but all other three are done in the manufacturing industry. So option number C is the right answer. Come to the question number 4. Which of the following example does not fall under unorganized sector? A farmer irrigating his field, a daily wage laborer working for a contractor, a doctor in a hospital treating a patient, a handloom weaver working on a loom in her house. Option number C, that is a doctor in a hospital treating a patient. This is come under organized sectors. And other three options that given are unorganized sector, which means option number C is the right answer. Come to the question number 5. Identify the correct answer from the alternatives provided. Both Tisco and Reliance Industries are owned by, these are the private company, which means it is come under private company. So option number B is the right answer. Come to the question number 5. NREGA, National Rural Employment Guarantee Act of 2005, which was renamed as Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act in 2009, or MGNREGA 2009, has guaranteed dash days of employment in a year in many districts of India. What are the correct number of days? That is option number B, 100 days. Next question. Choose one correct statement from the following. Unemployment occurs when people are not willing to work, when people are working slowly, when people are working less, what they are capable of doing, when people are not paid for their jobs. Option number C actually right answer, because when people are working less than what they are capable of doing are come under underemployment. Next question. Which sector has emerged as the largest producing sector in India? Select one from the following alternative. Largest sector, that is tertiary sector. Next question. Where will you find the disguised unemployment most? Select the correct opinion from those given below. Disguised unemployment actually find in among agriculture workers working in small farmland. That is option number A. Next question. How do big private companies contribute in the development of a nation? By increasing demands for their product through advertisement, it is not correct. By increasing their profit, it is also not correct. By increasing productivity of the country in the manufacturing of the industrial goods and by providing private hospital facility for rich. Option number C is the right answer. By increasing productivity of the country in the manufacturing of industrial goods is the right answer. Big private company contribute in the development of a nation. Question number 11. Tertiary sector is also called as service sector. Next questions. Primary sector is also called as agriculture and related sector. Option number B. 13. Secondary sector is also called as industrial sector or manufacturing sector. That is option number B. Question number 14. Name one type of classifications of the economy. Economy are classified on the basis of ownership as public and private. That is option number C. What are the employment and non-employment figures taken from study the data? That is option number B, that is National Statistical Office. Next question, what are the groups of classification of an economy called? The groups of classification of an economy is called sectors. That is option number A. When we produce goods by exploiting natural resources, it is called primary sector. Which activities come under the agriculture and related sector? That is dairy, mineral excavation, using cotton fiber from the plant, selling irrigation product in the market. That is dairy, first one. Next question, what is the secondary sector? That is option number B. Activities in which natural products are changed into other form through way of manufacturing is called secondary sector. Question number 20. Using sugarcane or raw material, we make sugar or gur. Under what sector does this activity come? This is industrial sector. Option number C is the right answer. Name one functioning activity of the tertiary sector. That is tertiary sector. Goods that are produced would need to be transported by trucks or train and then sold in the wholesale market retail products. This sector gradually became associated with the different kinds of industry activity in which natural products are changed into form of very way of manufacturing produce goods by exploiting. Option number 1 is the right answer. Goods that are produced would need to be transported by trucks and train and then sold in the wholesale or retail shop, which means option number is the right answer. Come to question number 22. Which sector is called the service sector? Tertiary sector is called the service sector. The sum of productions in the three sectors gives what is called the DAX of a country. That is gross domestic product of the country. Next question, the value of final goods and services produced in each sector during a particular year provides the total production of the sector for that year. Option number C. DAX gradually became the most important in total productions and employment. The most important in total production and employment, that is secondary sector. Next question, which one is a primary occupation? Flower cultivation is a primary occupation. Not every good or service that is produced and sold needs to be counted. It means sense only to include the DAX to get the total production. Final goods and services, that is option number B. Give an example of an intermediate good: a oven basket, chair production from wood, wheat flour and biscuit. Wheat flour is used for making biscuits and wheat is getting from wheat, so it is the intermediate product, which means option number C is the right answer. It has been noted from the histories of many now developed countries that at initial stage of development, tech sector was the most important sector of economic activity. Initial stage it is the primary sector is the most important sector of the active economy. As the methods of the farming changed and the agriculture sector began to prosper, most of the goods produced were from the primary sector and most people were also employed in this sector, that is involved machine, which means that is option number B, involved machines. Next question, Involved machinery means it is industrial sector or manufacturing sector. Come to question number 31. In the data given of GDP, which was the most productive sector in 1974? That is secondary sector. Next, that is in the data given of GDP, which was the most productive sector in 2013 to 14? That is tertiary sector. And which sector grown the most over 40 years? That is also tertiary sector. And greater the development of the primary and secondary sectors would be the demand for such services. More would be the demand for such services. Next question, which income level rise certain sectors of people start demanding many more service like tourism? That is option number D. Over the past decade or so, certain new services such as dash have become important and essential. That is information and communication technology. Underemployment is hidden in contrast to someone who does not have a job and is clearly visible as unemployed. It is called disguised unemployment. Next question, which of the following activities does not belong to the primary sector? That is banking. Which of the following sector is the largest employer in India? That is primary sector. The task of measuring GDP is undertaken by central government. Life insurance is an activity of service sector. The motive of the public sector enterprise is social and security. How do big private companies contribute in the development of a nation? By increasing productivity of the country in the manufacturing industrial goods. Who carries economic activities? Individual, firm, government. Which means option number D is the right answer, all of the above. GDP stands for gross domestic product. What does it show? Pick up the correct statement given below. It shows how big is the economy of a country given a year in terms of its total output. That means option number is the right answer. Which sector converts goods into goods? That is secondary sectors. The economy is classified into public private sector on the basis of ownership. That is option number C. Manufacturing sector is associated with secondary sector. Which of the following economic activity is not in the tertiary sector? That is beekeeping. Next, which of the following acts would not apply to a company like TISCO? Minimum Wage Act, NREGA, Forest Act, Payment of Gratuity Act. That is option number B. Next question, which of the following is also known as disguised unemployment? Underemployment is known as disguised unemployment. Next, the money value of final goods and services produced within a country during a particular year is called gross domestic product. Next, workers in agriculture sectors are underemployed, overemployed, unemployed. First one, that is underemployed. So this is the details of MCQ of class 10th. Hope all you know some knowledge about sectors of Indian economy. Thank you. Subscribe my channel so that you can get next MCQ questions series.